What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today is going to be a little bit of a different video, as you can tell. We're going to be doing an update video, kind of where I've been for the last 8 months and what kind of videos you could expect to see. Alright, so the last time I actually was dedicated my time to filming fishing videos was back in late July and August. And in August, you know, school starts back up, so that took up the majority of my time, so I could not go out and film as much as I wanted to. I did film a few videos, but I never uploaded them or finished them, so therefore they never got uploaded. But I did start marching band season started back up, so that kept me busy as well. I'm a drummer, and I also play drums at church now, not during quarantine, but usually I do play drums at church. And I also have a girlfriend now, so life got crazy last semester of school. Stuff just got piled on, and I was really busy for a while. Come this new year in January, life started just settling down a little bit, and it was nice. A few things got less busy, so therefore I was able to find some time now to go film and make some videos for you guys. With that being said, the videos that you guys can expect to see are definitely fishing videos, diving videos, vlogs. Thinking I'm gonna do a day in the life video of quarantine, what it's like in my life. And also I'm gonna try to go fishing tomorrow, so hopefully we can get a video busted out tomorrow. But and also I may or may not go back to Ohio this summer. I did an Ohio day 1 and day 2, and I never finished. I had a couple more videos, but they just weren't complete videos, so I couldn't finish them. So I would love to go back there this summer and kind of add on to that series, but in a new way, of course. And I want to dive the entire pond. Last time I was there, I went to dive it, and I was scared because it was dark. But this time, hopefully this summer, I will be able to go. I'll bring my light and my dive knife and all of my gear this time, and actually be able to dive. With that being said, guys, make sure please comment video ideas down below so that I can get some content out that you guys want to see. Asking me questions, because I may do a Q&A one day with all my YouTube comments and other social medias, I guess. But make sure you guys comment any ideas or questions you guys have. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was just a quick update video. It's currently 11 o'clock, so I should probably get to bed soon, so I don't miss my meetings in the morning for school. But I'm going to head to bed. I'm going to edit this in the morning and hopefully go fishing tomorrow, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. But anyways, stay safe, stay healthy, please don't catch coronavirus, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace out, y'all.